Hey guys, welcome back to the Aino video tutorial series where we're teaching you how to become an expert in GIS analysis. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload and use custom data in your Aino GIS analysis.
So to get you started, Aino already has global datasets built in for ease of use. But if you need additional data that is specific to your location, you can find it from various sources. For this video, we're going to use data from Open Data Barcelona and download a specific dataset that we need that contains information about bike lane infrastructure. If you click Import, you can see all of the different formats of files that are compatible with Aino. If you upload a zip file like the one we downloaded, it will automatically find the shapefile and retrieve it. You can see that if we look closer, it has kept all of the attributes. Aino also gives you the option to connect directly to your Postgres database. You simply need to provide your database credentials so that it can read, query, and visualize that spatial data directly in your Aino projects. Finally, there's a QGIS plugin that you can download immediately from the application. Once you log into your account, you can ask questions in natural language like we did in the previous video. If you go to Aino Help Center/data importing, you can see all of the different choices you have. Another interesting feature from Aino is the free data portal, 15mincity.ai. It analyzes and ranks every location according to the 15-minute city urban planning concept. For now, we will choose my location and run the analysis. As you can see, my location has a very high score, meaning it's very walkable, and you can also see information about each category that's evaluated. Stick around, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to edit and interpret the data from Aino.